Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel po. Payout na naman po ng ating mga 4-piece beneficiaries guys. So babasahin po natin ang payout po nila. Bukas po yan, February 1, 2025 po. Ito po yung mga periods, coverage po at regions po. Okay. Ang payout ng cash grants para sa mga beneficiaries ng Conditional Cash Transfer CCT Program o Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino Program or 4-piece ng DSWD ay nakaschedule sa Sabado, bukas po yan, ika-1 ng Pebrero 2025. So February 1, 2025 po via ATM withdrawals po tayo. Ito po ang mga payroll schedules ng mga region, period po. P2 2024 RCCT and additional 4-piece L3 HHS1 CVS regular at P5 2023 RCCT and additional 4-piece L3 HHS1 CVS regular. Nandyan po ang regions 1, 2, 3, 4A, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 NCR, Carme, Maropa, Caraga, and BARM. Okay? Para po sa ating P6 2022, January 2023, additional 4-piece listahan 3 HHS1, CVS regular. Okay, nandiyan din po ang P1 2023, February to March 2023, additional 4-piece listahan 3 HHS1, CVS regular. P2 2023, April to May 2023, additional 4-piece listahan 3 HHS1 CVS regular. Ito po yung mga regions. We have region 1, 2, 3, 4A, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, NCR, Memaropa, Caraga, and BARM. For P3 2023, June to July 2023, additional 4-piece listahan 3 HSS1 CVS regular. Nandiyan po ang regions 1, 2, 3, 4A, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, NCR, Mimaropa, Caraga, and ARM. For P4 2023, August, September to September 2023, additional 4-piece listahan 3 HHS1 CVS regular. Nandito po ang regions 1, 2, 3, 4A, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, NCR, Mimaropa, Caraga, and ARM. Ayan po. Para po sa P5 2023, October to November 2023, P6 2023, December 2023 to January 2024 po. Para sa P1 2024, February to March 2024. Ayan, P2 2024, April to May 2024. And P3 2024, June to July 2024. At P4 2024, August to September 2024. Ito po yung mga regions. Regions 1, 2, 3, 4A, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, NCR, Mimaropa, Caraga, and ARM. Okay? Para po sa P6 2022, January 2023, RCCT1, CVS regular. Para po sa P1 2023, February to March 2023, RCCT1. P2 2023, April to May 2023. P3 2023, June to July 2023. P4 2023, August to September 2023. P5 2023, October to November 2023. P6 2023, December to January 2024, RCCT1 CVS regular. P1 2024, February to March 2024. P2 2024, April to May 2024. At P2 2024, April to May 2024. P3 2024, June to July 2024. P4 2024, August to September 2024. Nandito po ang all regions po yan guys. So all regions po tayo doon. Para po sa susunod po. So madami-dami po ang ating payout ngayon. So nandito po ang P6 2022, January 2023, additional 4-piece listahan, 3 HHS, 18 retro payment for reactivated HHS SWDI 1 and 2. And po, P1 2023, February to March 2023, additional 4-piece listahan. Okay. P2 2023, April to May 2023. P3 2023, June to July 2023. P4 2023, August to September 2023. Mga retro payment po ito. P5 2023, October to November 2023, retro payment po. P6 2023, December 2023, retro payment din po. Okay? Kasama po dito ang regions 2, 9, 11, 12, and Caraga. At para po dito sa P6 2022, January 2023, retro payment din po ito. P1 2023, February, March to March 2023, retro lahat po ito. P2 2023, April to May 2023, P3 2023, June to July 2023, retro payment. P4 2023, August to September 2023, P5 2023, October to November 2023, retro payment pa rin po. P6 2023 to December 2023, retro payment po. P6 2023, February to March 2023, retro din po. P2 2023, April to May 2023, retro pa rin po. P3, June to July 2023, P4 2023, August, September 2023, retro payment pa rin po. P5 2023, October to November 2023, P6 2023, December 2023, retro payment pa rin po. And P6 2023, December 2023. Ayan po, retro pa rin po. All regions po yun. P6 2023, December 2023, retro payment. Regions 1, 2, 3, 4A, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, NCR, Carme, Maropa, Caraga, ARM, and BARM. So ito po yung mga payments po natin. Bukas po yan, guys. So paki-check na po ang ating mga accounts. Baka po bukas ng umaga meron na po yan. Okay, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share para po lagi po yung updated sa aking mga videos. Maraming salamat.